Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is DEONTRADES and today I'll be teaching you fair value gaps. So what is a fair value gap? A simple definition would be a three candlestick pattern with a distinct characteristic. So this characteristic is that the first candle's high does not overlap with the third candle's low, or the first candle's low does not overlap with the third candle's high. So as the market moves, it naturally creates these fair value gaps. These gaps represent voids or spaces where market equilibrium has been disrupted. Okay? So why do you have to know all this? Or why should you care? So understanding fair value gaps is fundamental when it comes to identifying valid order blocks and trade entries. So guys, in short, no fair value gaps means no order block or trade entry. It's that simple. So for some of you in the comment section that are asking for a video on order blocks or trade entries, treat this as your doorway to order blocks and trade entries. All right. Without this, there is no order blocks or trade entries. All right. So please try to pay attention. All right, guys. So here's a simple example of fair value gaps. Uh, if you didn't understand the definition, maybe this visual example might help. So I said that a fair value gap is a three candlestick pattern with a distinct characteristic where the first candle's high does not overlap with the third candle's low. So in this definition, we are talking about a bullish candle, which is the first chart here. So the first candle's high does not overlap with the third candle's low. And in a bearish market, which is the second chart, the first candle's low does not overlap with the third candle's high. Alright, as you can clearly see, the first candle's low does not overlap with the third candle's high. So in short, what I'm saying is the first and third candle are not supposed to touch. Okay, there's supposed to be a void or space. Alright, the first candle and third candle are not supposed to touch. What is formed in between is what is called a fair value gap. Okay, so here's the chart. So what I want from you right now is to pause the video and try to identify fair value gaps from this chart. Okay, you don't have to be right. I just want you to try. All right, just try to test your knowledge. Okay, it really helps. I'm telling you, this is how you grow. So just try to identify fair value gaps and then I'll show you the results. Okay, I hope you gave it a try. So these are the results. So if this is what you had in mind, you were wrong. All right, but it's okay. All right. So this is not how you draw a fair value gap. Okay, please try to pay attention. So let me just give you one straightforward tip that you have to remember every time you're drawing a fair value gap. So any candle forming a fair value gap should not be engulfed by another candle. What I mean by that is what I mean is that the candle's low and high should not be inside another candle's body. Okay, as you can see here, candle B is inside candle A on both charts. Therefore, the fair value gap cannot be between B and C, but it should be between A and C. All right, so this is how you should draw your fair value gaps. It shouldn't be complicated. It's not complicated, guys. All right, so another point you should remember. Okay, so I see a lot of traders making this mistake. Okay, The color of the candles does not matter. It does not matter, not even a little. Okay? The colors do not matter. If there's a void, there's a void. If there's a space, there's a space. A fair value gap is a fair value gap. Okay? Okay, let's look at the real chart now. So even here you can pause the video and just try. Okay, just try, guys. Try identifying some fair value gaps here. Okay, you don't have to be right. All right, you just need to give it a try. That's how you grow. All right. Okay, so here are some of the fair value gaps. There are still a lot more, but I just didn't finish it. You can finish it on your own. Okay, so guys, don't just do it here. Okay, for you to know that what I'm teaching you is legit, you have to go to your own charts and try to find out for yourself. Okay, these things you see them on your own, and it's really better if you open your laptop and see them on your own charts. Okay, it gives you that confidence if you're identifying them on your own charts. All right, so you need to make sure your brain gets familiar with these things. I'm telling you, it gets easier the more you do it. All right, so now in this video I'm only teaching you how to identify fair value gaps, not how to enter using fair value gaps. Okay. Of course there are specific fair value gaps that you need to identify for entries, but that's another topic for another day. So like I said from the beginning, Uh, in true smart money concept trading, you cannot take a trade without identifying your fair value gaps first. So it's important that after you watch this video, you have to practice on your own. When you feel confused, just go back to this video until you get it right. All right. If you have questions that need immediate feedback, you can join my 1 month mentorship program, or buy the full course that covers everything in detail. You can also join my free Telegram channel. The link is just in the description. Otherwise, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Okay, guys, this has been DEONTRADES. Wishing you a profitable trading.